guys, what's up? You're watching the main Miata, and today on this episode we're going to be cleaning and detailing the engine bay of the Miata. So as you can see, it's quite dirty, and I'm going to be going through and completely cleaning off all the dirt and grime and then detailing it and protecting it so it'll be looking better in the future. And so I got this idea of how to clean it from Chris Fix's video, how to super clean your engine bay, and I'll put the link to his video in the description. Over here is the list of products that I'm going to be using. So I have cleaners and trim restore and brushes, microfiber cloths, a trash bag to cover the engine bay, and my 10mm wrench to disconnect the battery. So this process should take about 2 hours to complete, and at the end of it we'll have a nice clean engine bay you can even eat off of. So the first step in cleaning the engine bay is to disconnect the battery. And in a NB second generation Miata, it's back here in the trunk and I have it exposed. So we'll disconnect the leads from the battery and then we'll be good to start cleaning. After it's disconnected, we will take a brush and just dry clean everything and wipe off any loose dirt and dust that is in the engine bay. So I just finished dry brushing off the engine, and now what I'll do is I'll take a plastic bag and cover the engine itself, and then I'll start by spraying off the bottom of the hood right there and washing it down, and then washing the whole outside of the engine, everything but the engine itself. And I'll wipe it down with cleaning wipes, and then I'll spray it with some of that awesome cleaner, and then brush it down with brushes, and then rinse it off. So now the second step is done, and as you can see, all the way around the engine bay is clean and still wet, but the engine right here where I had the trash bag over it is perfectly dry. So it did its job in keeping water from pooling in the engine bay and possibly damaging things that we don't want it to get away. So now what we'll do is use the cleaning wipes and wipe down the engine bay, and then spray it with our awesome spray cleaner, and then brush it off, and then we'll dry it off with microfiber cloths, and that will clean the actual engine. And then we'll be ready to detail. Almost done here, and as you can see, it looks a lot better. It's looking a lot cleaner. So what I've done is, after I cleaned off the engine, I took microfiber cloths and I dried everything off, and then I took some spray-on wax and I did the entire hood and all the painted surfaces around the outside and that crossbar right there between the shocks. So now what I'm going to do is take the ultimate black plastic restorer and put that on all of the rubber and plastic pieces in here, and then buff that off, and then the engine will be finished. I'll show you the finished product in a couple minutes. And here's the final comparison. This is before we clean the engine, and this is after. You can see the huge difference that it made in cleaning this. Using the same techniques, I also cleaned the engine bay on my Xterra. This is before, and this is after cleaning it. And again, you can see what a huge difference it makes. I hope you enjoyed this video and possibly even learned something from it. Thanks for watching. Click the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you stay up to date with all the newest content.